Traffic in Baghdad. Everything is strange in Iraq. Traffic is no exception. If you get stuck in traffic, you might expect to purchase cigarettes, get to know people, deliver babies, and witness some scuffles here and there due to road rage. Collateral damage is expected. If you get stuck in traffic, you may maintain some good chat with your family, learn English, French, Spanish, completely from A to Z before you pass traffic light. Traffic in Iraq is terrible to the deepest meaning of the word terrible. Things are different about traffic in Iraq. Sometimes traffic light turns red to mean proceed. Green lights mean to stop. Everybody has the subjective jurisdiction to do whatever they want at whatever time they like. If you get stuck in traffic, you might expect to be held for around 2 to 3 hours consecutively. Thus, getting prepped is highly recommended. Exploit that time and do some yoga, self-reflection while being drained inside out, psychologically, mentally, and physically. The accelerator pedal becomes your best friend and the brake pedal becomes your worst enemy. Sometimes it takes a few hours to pass from one single intersection to the next one. This is absolutely normal in regular basis where regularity is rare. I commute every day to work and come back from work. The effort that I put in surviving traffic outweighs that I put up with my manager who gives me some hard time to meet the deadlines. This is just a short story from downtown Baghdad.